It is 1951. Tibet is part of China. It has its own government. The government is in Lhasa. Lhasa is the capital of Tibet. The Dalai Lama is the leader of Tibet. In the next years, step by step, the Chinese start to take land from the Tibetans. The Tibetans don't like this Chinese activity. They start a rebellion in 1956. Small fights continue for years. On March 10, 1959, a big rebellion against China starts in Lhasa. The Chinese army uses big guns. China wins. 85,000 Tibetans die in the fights. The Dalai Lama can't stay in Tibet. He must leave. The Dalai Lama goes to India. He starts a government in exile there. He starts to help Tibet from abroad.